Welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a super fresh Southwest pasta salad. It's vegan, gluten-free, and it's perfect for that summer barbecue. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Gluten-free bow tie pasta, black beans, corn, cherry tomatoes, sweet peppers, black olives, shallots or red onions, olive oil, a packet of taco seasoning, lime juice, and chopped cilantro. First, we're using this amazing gluten-free brown rice pasta. It got that perfect al dente bite and holds up beautifully to add both flavors we're about to mix in. Make sure to mix the brown rice pasta frequently. It has a habit of sticking together. Once it's perfectly tender, drain it and give it a quick rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. This helps keeps the pasta firm and ready for our tasty ingredients. While our pasta is cooling down, let's get to the fun part, prepping our fresh veggies. We've got black beans, corn, and juicy tomatoes ready to go. Now let's prep the cute little sweet peppers for a little crunch. I like to cut the stem end, remove the seeds, and slice then chop into bite-sized pieces. Next up is the black olives for that salty kick. I decided to slice them in half to evenly distribute them through the salad. You can leave them whole or buy them pre-cut. Now I'm chopping the shallots for that zingy bite. I prefer shallots over onions because onions have been bothering my stomach lately. Feel free to add your favorite onion over shallots for this recipe. And of course, we can't forget about the cilantro. A fresh chopped cilantro is going to bring that classic Southwest flavor that ties everything together. Now let's talk sauce. We're keeping it simple but packed with flavor. In a small bowl, mix a packet of taco seasoning with extra virgin olive oil and juice from a half a lime. This sauce is going to coat our pasta salad and infuse every bite with that tangy, spicy goodness. Time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled pasta with all the gorgeous veggies. Pour over your zesty sauce and give it a good mix until everything is evenly coated. I love using my 16-inch stainless steel bowl to mix all my salad side dishes. Now here's the hard part, waiting. Pop that beautiful bowl of Southwest pasta salad in the fridge for about 30 minutes and let all the flavors melt together. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Alright, it's time to dig in. The pasta salad is bursting with flavor, texture, and color. Perfect for that summer barbecue, a quick lunch, or just a light dinner. It's so good, you'll be coming back for seconds, maybe even thirds. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more mouth-watering vegan gluten-free recipes coming your way. Check my website for a full printable recipe, and most of the products and ingredients I used in this are linked below in the description. See you next time.